Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today we've got another package from Amazon. This has been sent to me by BEKOYWOY, and what we've got in here is a metal detector. So why would this be useful? This is the HS08 and it is a small portable handheld metal detector. Let's get it out of the box and have a closer look. Seemingly comes in several different colours. This one is the orange one. There it is. It looks a bit like a carrot, this one, doesn't it? Comes with a battery, which is handy. A little instruction manual. There we are. And a little holster. And a sort of slinky type lanyard. So let's have a look at the carrot. Let's get a battery in it. So you get to the battery compartment by unscrewing that part there. We'll just get the wrapping off the battery. You're seeing this for the first time as I am. And plus, which is the plus one. That's the plus one. That fits in there like this. And then tighten that up like that. And then I guess we've got a power on button that has a light. And yeah, let's see if we can find some metal. But there's a little bit of metal on here. And there we go. It finds metal. So I think probably the sensible thing to use a device like this in the world of DIY and so on is perhaps finding studs. And you know what you'll have in holding that wall up are screws, and obviously they're metal and we can find those. So let's see if we can find some stud screws using this metal detector. So this was the best example that I could find here in the apartment. There's a screw head there that's poking through. You can see in the wood filler there. But you know, if you didn't know where this was, the torch here actually is quite a useful thing because it can actually show you sort of slightly the difference in the surface. But yeah, so here is in operation. So we're getting closer, getting closer, and getting closer. There we go, right on top of it. And then moving away again. As I said, not a great example. It's in a dark spot too. I've had to put a torch on it. But yeah, it's a very simple device. To operate the device, it's just got one button here. You press and hold it and it turns on. And then it's got three modes. The first one is just to make a noise, so audible, and then you press it again and then you just get vibrate, and then you press again and you've got beep and vibrate. Yeah, this is you could perceive this being used perhaps in a security sort of, and then long press, by the way, turns it off. But you could see this being used in potentially a security type operation, you know, where you're perhaps just quickly passing this over somebody to see whether they have anything on them that they shouldn't. So there we go. That's the HS08 metal detector. I'll put links to where you can find these below on Amazon. And as always, we're on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe.